Alrighty, Carmen, here's your 427 small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. Got the Edelbrock manifold, Holley Terminator X fuel management, custom ground hydraulic roller. Got the Holley front end on it. Rear sump oil pan, Moroso, custom grind hydraulic roller. Go in there and make her run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Already 3,500, 490 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 544, peak horsepower 542, rated at 520, so it's got a front end, so it runs really well. We'll do now, pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple things here and see. If I just think it looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It's full of technical information. The crate will be this spec sheet. I recommend reading it. Have a great day.